trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. First up, we have Ethereum. Ethereum got my attention opening up this morning here in between the R4 and the R3 Camarilla pivots here on the 15-minute, but this would be global for all charts. And now we'll go top down here. So this is the weekly. We can see here on the weekly, this being the previous strong low, previous week high. We can see in this candle formation here that there is a market structure shift here on the weekly. So showing some weakness and then tested this current strong low here. Then on the 4-hour chart here, we can see today's range, this being this orange candle here, this orange candle here. So Ethereum I like, one, because it's showing weakness here on the weekly, and two, it is at the edge of the range here on the 4-hour, at the top end of the range. So good potential to potentially sell off here down towards the lower end of the range here. And then up here on the 15-minute chart, this high put in here at the mid-level here between R4 and R3 is a great place to short a financial instrument based on the Camarilla pivot system. We can see here that Ethereum has sold off since reaching this point here, and has quite a range here, this being the upper end of the opening range, and down here being the lower end of the opening range. You can see here, and this is based on the volume profile here, this extended or this high volume profile here, this high volume profile here. Same thing here down on the 4-hour here with these areas here, using volume price analysis to define a range here. So with this being the range, a wide range, the cams are within this range. So to me, this would be a good potential trading opportunity. It is now currently the pre-market, so I haven't entered a position on Ethereum yet, even though had I been watching it probably up in this area, I may have taken it this morning, even though I'm trying to reduce my pre-market trades to 0. I did catch it when it was right around here, but decided against. What I would like to see is a pullback. Like currently I do have an order, a limit order out. Here's my limit order here for what I'm looking to take this trade on, but essentially this my stop would be just above this high here. My target would be right here, this S3 level. This is Camarilla pivot S3. So this would be in potential R3 to S3 traverse here on the Camarilla pivots. But what I decided to wait for was this candle right here. So this candle, if this is an order block, which is what I would want, when this candle closes, this will confirm the potential of the order block, and then I want to see pullback into the order block to take an entry. So this is what I'm looking at this morning on Ethereum, and if it plays out, we'll enter a trade and see how it goes. Next up, we have Ripple this morning. Ripple setting up very similar to Ethereum this morning. We have the R4 Camarilla pivot here, and the R3 Camarilla pivot here. We'll go down here on the weekly chart. We can see that this was the, here we have the strong low, here we have the weak high. Since putting this in, Ripple has been selling off here. Actually, no, this is a previous strong low. This is the current strong low here. This is the current weak high. So this being the strong low here, we can see in these two candles, we get a market structure shift here on the weekly. So showing weakness here on the weekly, with this candle closing below this strong low, and this candle with continuation here. To me, this is showing weakness on the weekly. Here on the 4 hour, here based on volume price action here, actually here. So we have this being the low end of the range here based on VPA, and we're going to go with this candle here, this being the high of the range here. So we're seeing with Ripple, we're near the high end of the range here on the 4 hour, giving some room to the short side here if there's a sell-off. Same thing here, very wide range here on the cams here. Very wide range here on the opening range based on volume price analysis here. Come in a little closer here on the 15-minute. Same thing as I was looking for with Ethereum. This here being the high that I'm looking to put a stop behind, or that I currently have the limit order stop behind, this initiating the sell below here, and I would call this the potential order block. I put the order in once this candle here closed below this green candle, potentially confirming the order block here. This could potentially be the order block here with the close below this candle. So I'll keep an eye on how it goes, but with this candle here being above the R4 level and the price action selling off here, then buying back up and selling off, I would have this being the initiation candle of the sell-off here that confirmed the order block. So what I would like to see is pull back into the order block up to the close of this candle next to the order block. If I can get that, I'll get the entry and potentially get down here to the S3 level for an R3 to S3 traverse here. And then if we come up here to the order, we can see the order here. And you can see my stop loss is just above this candle here, and take profit is down here at the S3 level. So this is my trade idea on Ripple this morning. Next up we have Cardano. Cardano, I'm already in a position, but I like it this morning. I took a pre-market position in Cardano. I've been watching it since yesterday when it had been trading, put in through the R4 level here for a potential breakout, but I like it for a short. Here on the weekly chart, we can see that it is here on the 4 hour. We can see quite a bit of consolidation here in this range, setting the lower here and the higher end of the opening range here. So with it being at the top of the range, set up pretty good to head toward the lower end of the range. So I do like Cardano for that reason. We'll pull up. And you can see here, my stop is just above these candles here. And my take profit is down here at the S3 level here. So if this trade works out, it'll be an R3 to S3 traverse here. And Next up, we have Litecoin. Litecoin setting up similar this morning here at the R4 level and R3. Again, another potential traverse here to the S3 level here on the weekly. Structurally, this being the previous or the current strong low, current week high, we can see quite a bit of consolidation here, then selling, and now pullback after a test of this strong low here. And it looks like it's putting in some type of double top here from the previous week. Here on the 4-hour, we're seeing here with VPA setting the range, this being the lower end of the range, volume price analysis, VPA. And now we have the range set here for the day. The range set here. So now we can see we're near the upper end of the range. So for me, this would be a good location to take a short position to the opposite end of the range. And then we can see here on the 15-minute here, Litecoin has put in this high, which may be the best location to put a stop here. I put a stop up here, and I'll show you my order here in a second, just because this is above the R4 level, and it initiated a sell-off. Then there's a pullback, and then another leg of selling off, pull back a bit. So to me, it's either going to be this leg here or this leg here for initiation. And based on how the market opens, if there's buying at the open, which I would anticipate before a sell-off, this stop may be tested or may be blown. But we'll see how that goes. Not quite as good a stop as I had in Cardano, or would like, as Cardano being the absolute high of the day, but this stop may potentially hold here, and we'll get a look at the order here. 3 positions, they're all equal, and they're equal in every way, and same size as in Cardano here, but we can see my stop is just above here, profit down here at the S3 level if we can get there this morning. But this is what I'm looking at for my pre-market analysis.